Hey guys, Willie Davison here. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about the scroll saw. It's a Rexon Profiline SS/16SA. Now, that's telling you there about the blade, the speed that it can go up and down. Okay, right. What I want to talk about is these. I've already done a video on my channel about the actual saw itself, but I got asked a question about what kind of blades I use with it. Now, I did sort of show the blades one box. It wasn't even really a show of the blades, so if that makes sense. No, it doesn't. So what I'm going to do, this video, I'm going to make it on the blades that I've got for it, guys. The blades that I'm actually using for it. Now, these wee cases, right, I'll take one for it, right. These wee cases are spectacle cases, small spectacle cases that I got. They're made of metal. They've got a wee clip on the back of them. I clipped them up on the unit up there, and I've wrote on the front of it, Rexon Blades 12T. Right, so we've got that one there, so we may as well just start with that one. So we'll open the box and I'll show you what's in it. Now guys, these blades are so small, right? So they were in labelled packets, but as I say, when we're putting them in that, I've sort of cut the main bit off the packet that actually shows you what's there, eh? See if I can get the light to an angle so there's no shadows. Right, it shows you the wood. You can cut wood. .127mm, 5-inch. Shows you on it 0.34, 0.8. That must be 12T. Is that teeth? Anyway, I've got big fingers, guys. He bother. See these wee things, man. You wouldn't believe how small they are. I mean, guys, look how freaking wee that is. I've had to put a white bit of paper there. See if I laid that on that black, on that, you probably wouldn't see it. Right? No. These are so easy to break, by the way. And I'm not joking in saying that. Right, see if I can try and not get a shadow on that and get close to let you really see it. Right, you see the teeth on it? No, it's starting to get there. That's got very, very small teeth on it, guys. Now, one of the questions I was getting asked is, you did different types of these blades. See the ends on this? It's flat. Some of them you get have got pins, wee pins through them. Like that. Do you see the difference? See what I'm showing you at the end? It's got a wee pin through it. Now this does not go with that machine. I didn't have any for that machine with pins because I am not quite sure if it would work on it. And this blade is too long anyway. As I say, I'll lay that blade down, right? Look, that's a longer blade, guys. It's not meant for that machine. Just try to get the light balance here, guys, for you. As I say, so at the very end of that, you can see there's a pin goes through, like a junior hacksaw blade. Lay that there. Everybody kens what a junior hacksaw is, just a small wee hacksaw. Junior hacksaw blade, guys. See how they've got wee pins through them, wee metal pins. Okay. Just the same, that's the same as that. It's got a pin. Fucking grab it. See, try to watch this on the screen of the phone and try to look at what you're doing, it's a nightmare. But as I say, it's got a pin through it, okay? Right, so you've got to watch when you're buying blades for your scroll saw. You need to make sure that, can your scroll saw take ones with pins or ones that's got the, I don't know if they call the end of a blade, like a flat end, but a blade end, or however they term it. But you see them getting sold on Amazon and that. Right, so I'll lay the blades to the side. We don't have to worry about them. All we're focusing on is this one. Now, these blades, well, in these boxes, obviously different. Oh, that one cuts wood as well. So does that. See, that's a 15T. Right? That's a 25 tooth. It's obviously down to the roughness of the cut, probably. And that's 12. Aye. As I say, I kept them. Now, the length. I'll go in centimetres, guys. Now, to remember, this isn't... These ones haven't got the pins on them. These are like the flat blade ends. So when you've got your saw... I never got an instruction manual with that scroll saw, guys. That was the blades when I bought that second hand for a very, very, very good friend. For a very, very good price. They came with it. So that's obviously what was with it. We'll do a wee length here. Right? Tip to tip. So, we're on the end there, centimetres, right up to 130 millimetres. 130 millimetres, which is 13 centimetres, guys. 13 centimetres long, okay? Let me turn the ruler around. We'll do it in inches. We'll use it like the inches. So we're at the beginning. It's just like 2 marks over the 5-inch. About there. See that? Just over 5-inch. It's more accurate with the centimetres, isn't it, guys? Aye. 13. 130 millimetres or 13 centimetres. Okay. So basically, they'll all be the same length. All the same length. And they're saying 5-inch there, eh? 5-inch, 127 millimetre. 5-inch, 127. Let me do that again. 120. Yeah, it just shows you, eh? 127. It's freaking longer than that. It's 130. Look. That's dead on the end. End to end. 30. Just shows you that they're not sometimes fully accurate, eh? And there. Stop that there. There. Just 2 of them marks out of 5. Just longer than 5-inch. I suppose that'll no matter. It's near enough, eh? But as I say, it does tell you the lengths on it. So you're looking for... Where's my pointer? Let's see. So this bit here, for there, that arrow to that arrow, they're saying that's the length of what you're buying in the box, guys. And that's for, obviously, your teeth. So when you're going out to buy them, make sure the scroll saw you're using, that it's a proper blade, as in the ends of the blade, whether it's a flat type, like how I open mine, it's just a Allen key, there guys. Right, can you see the chuck? Just a wee flat chuck that splits open as you slacken it, and it'll come out, and you just do the same at the bottom, down in there, which I find is a freaking nightmare. See these glasses I'm wearing, they're not the greatest. And as I say, this bit here, you slacken that and your blade will come out there, put your new one in, but I do the bottom first and then just tighten it up again. And then tighten it obviously at the back for your tension of the... I've got it slacker now because I'm not using it. Obviously when you're leaving these and you're not using them, you're slacking the tension on the blade because you can end up wrecking them. Okay, but as I say guys, and put this one back in the packet. I mean, look at that, look how thin that is guys. I see the things you can cut with it. It's amazing. Right, so put that in, shut that one. Let's have a wee look at this one. Right, tweezer time guys, because honestly my fingers are too big. There's one. Aye, mental. Right, different teeth on that. You can see them slightly easier this time. You see them? Teeth are slightly bigger. Flat ends, no pins on the ends. As I say, it's like a wee clamp on the machine that clamps that end and it'll clamp that end solid. Yep. And then your bit of paper with your details. Here's my book, I think. Yeah. 127 long, 5-inch. Maybe Ken, we've measured that slightly longer than 5-inch, but it'll no matter. Shows you on there, basically, 25 to 30 millimetres of wood you can cut with it. And then here, properties of your blade, sizes and that. That one is slightly bigger, 1.1. And then you get 12 in the packet. Alright guys. I mean, it's basically all the same principle, just different size, as in teeth of the blade, and for what you're going to be cutting with. As long as you get the right length of blade, and get the right blade, whether it needs the pins, the wee metal pins in the ends, or doesn't. Now, I'll be honest with you, I don't know if this machine will do both, but these are the only ones that came with it, so this is what I'm sticking with. But, saying that, see the chuck? Right, I'll try and get in close, guys. The blade, when this gets slatted, right, opens up that gap there. Opens that up, right? So why? Do you see what I mean? How there's a channel. Hang on till I get this right. There is a channel there. Could anybody please tell me that's used this machine before or like it? See if that opens up for a blade to go in. I dare say a pin might go across there. So this machine might work both. But I don't know. See that wee channel going across there? That a pin could come down and onto when you tighten it. I don't know if it's the same at the bottom because it's away to the inner works at the bottom and it's hard enough trying to see where the Allen thing is for to put the key on, for to change it. But it's just a question, guys. If anybody could help me out with that, is any of yous got one of these machines, which is the Rexon, it's part of the Rexon group. I mean, that's all it says on it about the blade speed going up and down and that. I mean, it's blade, it's pinless blades, if that's what you call them, on the end of the blades, pinless, that I'm using in it. They don't have pins, kind for like your junior hacksaw blades and that. But it maybe does. It maybe does. Anyway, I'm not going to make this video too long, guys. It was basically to be on blades for to help somebody out that asked a question about what kind of blades I use with it. But as I say, I've kind of... You can see that you get your different sizes for different thicks of wood. And I dare say, no just wood, because as I say, you can cut plastics and all other kind of things. And these wee glasses cases are amazing. Amazing wee things to keep them in. with wee clips on the back, and just get white pen and just write on the back of them or something what's in it, and you can keep it with your machine. Okay, right guys, if you liked this video, give me the thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you've no. As I say, it doesn't cost you nothing. And everybody have a good weekend. This is Sunday. Sunday. Right guys, have a good one, and I'll see you in the next video. Right, cheers now. Bye bye.